Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
The Mughlai cuisine is still an integral part of North India, and today I'm going to show you a dish which is called the Pasanda, which in Urdu means favorite. I'm not going to talk much about this dish, but I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's make the Mutton Pasanda. So I'm going to roast 10 almonds first, and then I'm going to add 4 to 5 cloves, seeds of 5 green cardamoms, half an inch of cinnamon, 10 peppercorns, seeds of 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm going to now roast this. I'm roasting this on a low flame till it leaves its aroma, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of poppy seeds, and I'm going to shut the flame immediately, roast it a bit, and once this is cooled, I'm going to grind this to a nice fine powder. We've made a nice fine powder of this. Here I have half a kg of boneless mutton, which is cut in a very specific way. You can ask the butcher that you want to have it cut in the style of making pasanda, which I'm going to add the ground garam masala that we have prepared. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder and some salt. When we are marinating this mutton, we have to coat each and every piece thoroughly with this mixture. Heaped teaspoon of ginger paste, a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste, and just coat each and every piece well with this. I'm going to gently massage the meat before I keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to be marinated. It's been an hour that we had kept this meat to get marinated. I'm going to heat a pressure cooker, and I'm going to add half a cup of oil to this, a little less than half a cup. And once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the marinated meat and fry it for good 4 to 5 minutes on a high flame. While this meat is getting sauteed, I'm going to add a tablespoon of Coriander Seed Powder, we've seared the meat on a high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to reduce the flame now, and I'm going to add half a cup of beaten yogurt, and I'm going to saute this further till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated here. We've got a nice layer of oil on the curry. I'm going to add half a cup of water to this. And I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 whistles and then on a low for 5 to 10 minutes. I have shut the flame. The pressure is also released. Let's go ahead with the recipe. Wow, this is smelling really nice. I have some fried onions here. I'm going to take a cup of fried onions, and I'm just going to coarsely grind this without any water. This is nice and coarse. I'm going to add this to the curry, and depending on the thickness of the gravy, I'm going to add the water. I don't want it too thick or too thin, so I'm going to add another half cup. Switch on the flame again and let this boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Our mutton pasanda was boiling for a good 5 minutes, and now it's ready to be served. This mutton pasanda can be had with paratha or any bread of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know.